Right, today I attempt to do a sensible video, and when I mean sensible I mean actually get some more work done, even if it is raining. That car there is called Project Hank. Hank is a Rover 214 to which I fitted a new water pump the other day, and then yesterday struggled to get the cam belt on, but I did eventually get it on, and I just need to put all the other bits back together so I can move it out of the way. I think this is going to be the last time I attempt to do a job like this in the rain. Not too far off now. It's not going to stop, so what I'm going to do is have some curry that I made about a week ago. I'm very cold and I'm very wet, but sitting here eating this very, very spicy curry, I am having a happy moment. Okay then, curry eaten, time ticking by, car all put back together again. Time for the moment of truth. Not starting. Thank you. Yes, it's amazing what a bit of damp can do. Hank obviously needs some ignition leads and maybe even a dizzy cap, I don't know. Because the thing is, I hadn't really considered this, but when I picked this car up it was dry, and it's been dry every time I've moved it. And it was dry when I started doing the job. I moved it around here. And then it's been chucking it down ever since. So all that damp, especially with the bonnet open and it raining and stuff, getting into the leads and stopping the free flow of electricity is obviously going to cause an issue. And an issue is what it has caused. Anyway, nothing more I can do about that today. But what about this car? Steve here. Another problem with this one, I'm afraid. As Project Waster's climate control resistor works, I took it out and put it into Steve so I could enjoy a bit of air movement for a while, and nothing happened. Looking under here though, unfortunately the carpet is really rather wet. As I have a feel on the bottom of the blower there, the water's coming from under there somewhere. Water coming in from the bulkhead, possibly going down onto the fan itself and ruining that. That's annoying. As I was just sat here then as well, I could just see water dripping off the bottom of it. It's not a good sign, that. One of my American subscribers has boasted on numerous times about how dry it is there. You know, our bodies are something like 65% water. We need water. We can't survive without water. We could only survive a few days without water. But that's us. What about cars? Cars don't like water. The only place water belongs is mixed with coolant to stop the engine from overheating. Other than that, it causes all sorts of electrical issues, as I found out today, and as I found out with this here. And rust, of course, as well. Oxidization of steel. It's I want to live somewhere else.